Now, before we continue, let's take a quick look at this unique prop firm. We all know that trading with minimal capital can be a pain, especially when you want to take advantage of commodities or indices with those massive movements. So that's why we've partnered with Forex Prop Firm. So they fund up to $2 million with a profit split of up to 90%. That really caught our attention. So all you need to do is complete a challenge and verification stage and get started. Now the beauty with these guys is the objectives are actually achievable. So with 4 different capital options to choose from, there is also room for growth. So get on board, check out their dashboard and trading tools offered, and quickly accelerate your trading career. Now, another thing that caught our eye is an instant funding model that is available. So you basically skip 2 sections, then immediately get funded. This means you start making some gains from the get-go. So check them out on the link on the description below and read up on them.
Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. I've been trying to go live and not winning, so decided to just record this and upload it. And let's see what we've got for this week. Okay, so last week we finished red. Yeah, we finished red actually. We had this loss here. I think I had like 4 losses in a row, which ideally, when you start seeing that, it should raise some flags. But yeah, so this week again, let's go back. Let's go see what we can find. Remember, your risk management is key. Your risk management is key. Always ensure that you get that on point. And technically, we're on the right track. It just pushed up first. Pushed up first before dropping. But it happens. So let's see what this week will bring for us. And let's hop on. Okay. So with gold, we're at a very interesting area now. Very, very interesting one actually. I actually see it bouncing back to the top. I doubt it's going to go to the bottom as yet, but I do see it bouncing up to the top, which means I'll basically be trying to trade it from one of these and just wait for it to push up. So I just need to find an entry, and once I've got an entry, I will have a buy stop, and once the buy stop is triggered, we would have a decent push to the upside and hopefully get some R's in there before it pulls back down, because we are bearish. We are bearish after all. So you want to try and take advantage as much as you can. So let's see if this one will work for us. Okay, so we'd have something along these lines, and just to be on the safe side, would have something like that, and of course have that in there, cover this wick here at the bottom, and because of the movement where we are, we can potentially take advantage and hopefully move up from there. I'm actually going to post it in our signals group and take it from there. If you aren't in the channel, if you aren't in the Discord, do check out our offers on it. We are having some decent offers on it. So if you are with one of our brokers, you can definitely take advantage of our premium advanced signals. And once you've got that, you should be on the good side. Okay, so let me just drop this in here. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not copying, but I'll just type it in and take it from there. Okay, so with gold, we are bullish. We are definitely bullish. Got a buy stop at 1919.288, and then the stop will be 1912.688. So let's see how this one works. I'm not sure why I can't copy the trade, but anyway, just moving forward. I'm just going to push it to the top. We are going to just cover 4 on this free one, and then moving forward I'll just get the rest to our traders. Okay, so here we are. Yeah, we're not getting anything decent here. I think with this one I'll probably wait for it to hit one of these lows, because it's already in the move. It's already in the move. I doubt you'll catch it. Let's see how it's looking on the 4 hour, and even then on the 4 hour you still want a bit of reasons to take that setup. Then on the hourly, yeah, definitely not gonna work with that one. US oil, we did say it's very bearish, so I don't know who caught this one, but we are heading to this 93 zone. We are heading to the 93 zone, and we are not catching that one. It's already gone, it already left us. And then I'm just gonna do Euro USD and see if we can't find anything there. There we go. And one more pair for you guys. Remember we said we're gonna do 4. This one we missed it dramatically. It literally came in, touched our zone and tanked. So yeah, and then this one stopped us out. This one stopped us out. Just gonna mark it so I don't forget. And the second one is completely gone, but it happens. Okay, let me just delete these ones. We didn't catch that one, so that's why I'm deleting it. We marked it, but by the time it triggered, they were not in the charts. Okay, so with this one we're going to wait for a break of structure at the bottom here, and once we have this break of structure here, we are going to look for an entry in this candle, over here, which will probably look a bit similar to the one we had before. And we want to use an unmitigated OB. And once we've got that, we should be on the right track. So it'll be this candle over here, but I'd also want to keep an eye on this one here. So let's just see what we can find on that. Going to the 15. We are still good here. I don't think we'll find anything tighter. No, we do have this one over here, but I think this is still fine. Let's just check how many pips it is. 58, definitely not good at all. Probably gonna have to focus on this one here. So we've got this one, which we can focus on. So it'll look something like that, which is a bit risky, by the way, guys. We've got this one here. Sorry, and we've got this one here. And also I would probably want to keep this high, or I'll wait for a couple of confirmations first, and once we get that, then that's when I'll look at anything else. So we've got this over here. We did have our BOS just now, so we're gonna have a sell stop. We're gonna wait for price to come into this level, and once it does, we'll have a sell stop and take it from there. Of course, going to the downside, and it'll look something like that. So we'll have something like that. There we go. So that's how our Euro USD setup will look. Okay, and as you can see, there is something also forming on the hourly. I'm just going to take a look at it as well, because we do have a bit of a move that's forming, which will probably be taken at this zone over here. This is probably going to trigger sooner than we think, and I think I'm pretty comfortable with using that. Will be on the 30. This one will be too tight, or will increase my stop loss range a bit too far. So we're going to have something along these lanes, and of course drop to the downside. So it'll look something like that. So we've got 3 potential setups on Euro USD. 3 potential setups on Euro USD. And let's see how they all play out. They look like that. So I've got an alert on the smaller one, and then of course once this one triggers or it does not trigger, once it's breaking my rules and it goes to the top side, I'll basically just get in and adjust my setup and probably not take this one. And yeah, once that happens, then we are good to go. Okay, so it'll look something like that. And then moving forward, let me just mark it as well. I'm just gonna leave the GU. I'm gonna look at US 30 for you guys. Let's see what we've got on this one. Yeah, it eventually tanked from there. Now we're seeing structure happening, and we have a nice BOS over here, which we're most unlikely going to come back into this region. Doubt we will. So I think I'll just have to wait and see what it does to the downside first before getting in. So I'll wait probably for this zone here. So I'm just gonna move. Sorry about that. I'm just gonna move this over here and focus on actually getting to this level. And once it does get in there, leaving a whole lot of imbalances, it will potentially give me something decent to work with. Until that happens, we are gonna stay out. We are gonna look at it from a distance. It totally smashed through this order, which we didn't place because of the losses we took. So we took 2, I think it was 2 losses on Friday and 2 on Thursday, if I'm not mistaken. Not Friday, last Wednesday. Yeah, I think that's about it. So the past Thursday and Friday, it's been more of a restructuring, auditing, and just taking a look at where we are missing it. Yeah, so we took the losses. Okay, so US 30, we're gonna leave it. And that's about it for today, guys. There's not really much happening that we are seeing. I will share some. I'm gonna do the rest and share in the premium channel and take it from there. So remember to manage your risk well. Remember to manage it very well. 0.2% risk, 1 hour break even, 5 hour take partials, or 3 hour take partials, and just keep trailing it until you milk the most out of your setups. Then you should be good. And do check out our bootcamp, do check out our signals and our Wushu toolbox. Happy trading, guys.